Hey there, this is Sharon here with simplycanning.com, where you can find home canning food, tutorials, and advice taught in a way that even a beginner can get their pantry filled. So I have a question here today from Maria. She asks, you mention always to pressure can corn in a canner for 55 minutes. However, your recipe for the corn relish calls for water bath for 15 minutes. My altitude is below 1,000 feet from sea level, so which canning process should I use and for how long? So that is a really good question, Maria. You do need to pressure can corn when it's a plain corn. It's canned in water, maybe a little bit of salt, but it's just corn. That has to go in a pressure canner. If you are canning my corn relish, what you're doing is you're going to add some acid to that. It has vinegar in the recipe, and so that changes the processing needed. It's a tested recipe. Don't try to just add acid to any vegetable that you have. It doesn't work that way. It has to be tested for the proper pH levels for the vegetables that you have in there. That relish has corn in it and it has peppers in it, and I'm pretty sure it had onions in it. I don't remember, but because of the added acid, it can be done just in the water bath. I hope that was helpful, and you guys see me in the next video, and we'll talk to you later.